If you've not been here before, this is YouTube's sailing channel We Bought a Boat, and this is our boat, Dancing Bear. We are a family of 5 exploring the UK for our 2nd season and learning as we go. In these episodes we're going to explore some new UK destinations, new marinas, and hopefully share the experience with you. So welcome aboard. Coming up in today's episode, Matt launches his new boat, his Sun Odyssey 43DS at Titchmarsh, and we take it on a 2-day shakedown cruise back to Benfleet via Queenborough. So if you haven't already, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any questions about this video, please feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as I possibly can.
Leaving Titchmarsh, first time ever doing this boat.
In reverse?
In reverse, we've got off the dock okay. It's quite calm conditions. Tide is going out on Titchmarsh, so we need to get over the seal. It's about 7:30 now, and we're on our way.
Oh, that's a lovely view.
Get it? Sounding good? Sounds good.
Right. So. Yeah, that's propulsion.
Yeah. What?
So Matt, how was your first solo leaving Titchmarsh?
Yeah, it was right. Left plenty of time, got over the lip. It's like with anything, steering the boat for the first time. It's just sort of pre-faults, you're not really sure, but once you do it, it's fine. These modern boats, they sort of reverse, go straight, it's okay. On Westerly, I had this reverse straight, so sailing this is fine. But yeah, the bow's quite far away on this one. It'll take a bit of getting used to.
It's not your first time helming the boat though, is it?
Yeah.
Is it the first time helming the boat?
First time helming the boat.
So you didn't helm it when you went out with the Orwell donor? No? First time, Matt.
That's a wheel. Steer right to go right, left to go left. Easy as that.
Hello. So as you've just seen, this episode we are bringing Matt's boat, Serendipity, from Titchmarsh back to Benfleet. It's been a nice long wait for him, 6 months. I'm really happy for him that his boat's in the water. It's going to be a great trip. So we've just come out of Titchmarsh Marina. You saw we had to get out quickly because there's a piece of shallow water on the way out, which we had to get out pretty much we'll think we have a couple of hours after high, and then it'll be too shallow to get out. So we've raced out, we've come up the Orwell, and we've grabbed a mooring buoy because we need to put the head sail up. Matt's just making us a bit of breakfast, and then we're going to drop the mooring buoy, and then we're going to head off down to Queenborough, go into Queenborough for the night, and then back into Benfleet in the morning. So I will update you again after breakfast and when we're back underway. Okay, here we go. Dropping the mooring buoy, setting off to take Matt's boat home. Okay, tell me when. Okay. She's on your starboard side. And we're off.
So as you can see, we've set off from Titchmarsh Marina. We grabbed a mooring buoy, had some breakfast, and now we're setting off out of the Orwell to make our trip down to the Medway. On board the boat, which was fantastic, you've got Matt's dad, as you can see here, helming the boat. You've got Dave here in the hat, who's a very experienced yachtmaster from our club, who's helping Matt bring the boat back for the first time. Obviously Matt, the owner, my friend, and myself, and it's a very pleasant day. We've got a very nice wind at the moment on the beam, and we're just heading up the Orwell to make our turn down towards the Medway. We've come out the Orwell, we've now made our turn downwind, and you can see we're trying to go wing on wing with the jeanneau pulled out. We're still doing 4 knots, but we've got foul tide for how long?
About another hour.
Got an hour of foul tide,
Yeah.
and then tide's going to be with us, so we should pick up a bit of speed again. Lovely. Jeanneau is just keeping the sun out of the shot. Quick update, we are not far now off of the entrance to the Medway to go into Queenborough. It's been an absolutely amazing downwind sail on this boat. It's so planted, it's amazing to experience
a boat this size, as I said, kind of a dream boat. Matt is currently up there sunbathing at the front. It's been a glorious day. As you can see, the weather has just been phenomenal. The wind's been behind us all day, as you can see, completely downwind. We probably averaged about 6.5 knots, I think, the whole way. Touched 8 at points. It's been absolutely fantastic. So we're going to go into Queenborough, pick up a boy for the night, go and get some dinner, and then tomorrow we'll sail back to Benfleet. So I might get a couple more shots later tonight if it's a nice sunset. But if not, I will catch up with you again on the trip out to Benfleet.
I've just added this shot into the end of day one for a reason. It's one of my favourite shots from the entire trip. This is Brian and Matt sitting on the bow of his boat, sun glistening in off the sea. It's just a really, really nice moment where Brian's just telling Matt how proud he is for him managing to, you know, find this boat, finance this boat, get it sorted, get it launched, and now they're sailing it together back for the first time. It was just a really lovely moment I wanted to share with you all.
So we've arrived at Queenborough. We're sitting on a mooring buoy. I just thought I'd get a shot of this behemoth that's coming down next to us in this tiny little channel.
So as you can see, we're just sitting on a mooring buoy here at Queenborough. We've just been and had a nice dinner, and we just got back on the boat via the water taxi. We're just having a few drinks and discussing what we're going to do tomorrow. I think the plan is to do a few manoeuvres, do some docking and whatnot for Matt, reversing the boat, and then set off back to Benfleet.
That is very impressive coming up here. Morning. So we're in Queenborough. Like I said, we didn't do much filming last night. We just went and stopped and went for dinner. What we've been doing this morning is we're out doing some manoeuvres so Matt can get used to his boat. So we've done a few going onto the jetty this morning at Queenborough, onto the hammerhead. We've done a bit of reversing. We're just kind of milling around in here at the moment, looking for a spot to do some more kind of reverse manoeuvres for Matt so we can get used to reversing the boat. He's done a bit of stopping and going and reversing and going, as I say, going onto the hammerhead a few times and docking, which is good, always good because it's the first time on his boat. So that's what we're doing. So I'll get a few shots of us doing that, and then the next update will be when we're heading out to sail back to Benfleet, which will be later on this afternoon. So I will catch up with you again shortly. So we're here, she's on. It was a bit hairy. It was a 4.9 tide and we just got her on. So Matt's now aware that anything at 5 or above and we're okay, anything below that we're not getting back on. But she's on. Sun's just starting to go down. But she's here.